Good morning, students. In previous class, we started chapter number 5, Advanced Features of Microsoft Word. In previous video, I told finding the text and replacing the text. Okay, must practice with those options, finding the text and replacing the text. Here, click on home tab. Here is the option find and replace. Shortcut key of find control plus F and shortcut key of replace control plus H. I already told about this option. Now we will learn next option, page number 48, book page number 48, working with shapes. In this option you will learn how to insert shape, how to format shape. Now let's start. How to insert shape? When you want to insert shape, then click on insert tab. Click on insert tab. Here is the option shapes. Click this option shapes. Shapes list appear. You can draw lines, basic shapes, block arrows, flowchart, clouds, stars and banners. Lines, basic shapes, block arrows, flowcharts, clouds, stars and banner. Here recently used shapes. Firstly, you want to draw a line, then click line, then your pointer change into plus shape, then draw line. Here again insert shape arrow. This is arrow shape. Suppose you want to, if you want to draw a straight line or a straight arrow, then hold shift key, then draw, then line or shape in straight shape. Okay, now more shape, insert shapes. Here basic shape, suppose this is smiley face. Now draw a smiley face. Drag mouse pointer for your desired direction. See, you can draw smiley shape. Now see carefully, here is green symbol arrow and here is blue symbol arrow. You can change size by the use of this blue symbol. Inside direction for decrease size of the shape. Outside direction, drag outside direction mouse, then you can increase size of the shape. Here also you can increase size in any direction, and here you can decrease size. When you increase size, then drag mouse outside, and when you want to decrease size, then drag mouse inside of the shape. Now suppose you want to move the shape, then hold mouse left button, then your pointer shape into this shape, arrow key shape, then you can move your shape in anywhere on the page. Now this green symbol for indicate for rotation. You can rotate your shape. See, hold mouse left key, then rotate direction C. Then this direction you can also shape. You can also rotate the shape in particular direction. What is the mean of this yellow symbol? By the use of this yellow symbol, you can change look of the shape. This is a smiley face. Suppose you want to sad face, then now this is sad shape. Now again this direction, again smiley shape. You can change look of the shape. This is shape. Here is more shape. Suppose you want to cloud. Then firstly delete this, select this, then press delete from keyboard. Now insert shapes. Here a cloud. Now clouds. You can type text into the cloud. This is cloud. Okay. Now you want to delete this, then select this, then press delete from keyboard. Now more thing, placing text in a shapes. Placing text in shapes. Shapes is a drawing feature that is available in MS Word. MS Word have variety of shapes. Now see how to insert text into a shape. Firstly draw. Suppose here draw this circle. In basic say oval. Draw oval. Now you want to insert text into this circle. Then right click on this circle, right click on this oval. Then here is an option add text. Add text. Again right click, add text. Now start typing class 4th. You can also increase size. Select this, then increase size. You can also change color from here. Now using drawing tools. Using drawing tools. When you select a shape, click here, then you can select text. Delete this. Now again draw a shape. Now this arrow. When you select this shape, drawing tool appear on your screen. Here is nothing, then select, then drawing tool. In this drawing tool, there is an option format. You can change color and you can also change width of the shape. Here is a shape fill option. Click this shape fill. Here is a list of color. Then click here. Select the color. See, you can change color again. Here, by the use of shape fill option, you can change color of the shape. Shape outline. You want to change outline of the shape. This is known as shape outline. This line, shape outline. Then you can also change outline of the shape. See carefully here, shape outline color. Change blue color. Now you want to change shape. You want to change this shape. Then select this. Then click change shape. then click here, your shape will change. Okay, now some feature with line tool, line shape. In insert tab, click on shapes, then draw line, press shift key for a straight line. Now select this line, drawing tool appear, format, shape outline. In shape outline, this is bait for width of the line. Here select width, you can change width of the line. Now shape color, shape outline, line have only one color, shape outline, then change outline of the shape and change outline color of the line. This option available in page number, book page number 49. Now inserting bird art. What is the meaning of bird art? The bird art feature allows you to create special text effects. Bird art features allow you to create special text effect. You can write your text with special text effect. How? Delete this. Now click on insert tab, inserting bird art. This option already available, also available in page number 49. Inserting bird art. Page number 49. Bird art. When you want to insert a bird art, click on insert tab. Here is a bird art option. Here bird art option, select shape bird art. In Office 2010, here is different shape. Now here is Office 7. Click this bird art. Type your text here. Type your text here. Suppose type computer. Then click OK. Then click OK. Increase size of the bird art for using this pointer. Now you want to change the color of bird art. Again select this. Bird art tool appear. Then you can change color by the use of shape fill option. Here you can change color. And you can also change shape outline color. Next bird art. Insert bird art. Bird art class 4. Click OK. You can insert bird art. Now insert clip art. How to insert clip art? How to insert clip art? What is in clip art? Clip art is a gallery of pre-designed pictures that can be inserted directly in a document. Clip art is a gallery of pre-designed pictures that can be inserted directly in a document. Clip art is already exists picture in your computer. MS Office provide variety of clip arts. How to insert clip art? Click on insert tab. Page number 50, clip art. Inserting clip art. How to insert clip art? Now we are inserting clip art. Again move on, insert tab, there is an option clip art. When you click on clip art option, our right hand side task panel appear. You can search your category. Suppose you want to insert animal. Animal. Then click go. Here, put cursor here and drag mouse pointer in here. You can insert clip art. You can see you can insert clip art. In next video, you learn more thing about clip art and watermark. Thank you.